Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 5. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we'll continue with the top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research. At the end of the video, I'll be releasing the names of the 2 winners for last week's giveaway, so if you'd like to know who won, definitely stick around to the end. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche of today is "Excuse me, I'm speaking." So I think you might have recognized this t-shirt or this t-shirt design. Actually, it's a word said by Kamala Harris, who is the VP, US VP. They are set to be inaugurated in a couple of days, in about 8 days. Yeah, it was in a debate with the former vice president that she said this "excuse me, I'm speaking," because he was apparently interrupting her. So that what she said went viral, and very smart print on demand sellers just put the words on a t-shirt, and look at this, it has sold so many times that it has 403 ratings, just priced at $13.99. So let's go to Flying Research and do more research. So here's Flying Research. It's a tool that I use for my research. If you want to learn more about it, there's a link in the description. It actually comes with as a package with Flying Upload. In the future, it will be a paid tool on its own, so you should definitely take advantage of it right now. If you are not using it, it comes as a package with Flying Upload, but it will be a paid tool in the future, so you should definitely take advantage of it. So looking at Flying Research, you can see that the overall trend is up and the current trend is up. That means it's actually selling. And look at this, it's just words. Excuse me, I'm speaking. Anybody can create this. Create it in your own font and it will be a new design. And it's trending because she's soon to be inaugurated with the president. So obviously her t-shirt, the words she said, everything about her is trending. So if you're not making t-shirts about the inauguration, you should definitely, because that is the #1 trending t-shirt idea in the US. Moving on to the second niche for today is Valentine's Day niche. And obviously you know that Valentine's Day is coming up and we need to put our t-shirts out there so that customers can buy it and it will be shipped before the day arrives. So look at this, it's selling at $18.99 and has 108 ratings. And it's just simple. This one is actually for gamers, just a game controllers with a heart. Pretty simple design. And let's go to Flying Research and see and do more research. So looking at Flying Research, it shows that this design has sold more than 196 times, has 108 reviews, and let's look at the current trend. Current trend is up, overall trend up. So like I told you, Valentine's Day is coming up. You should definitely make more Valentine's Day t-shirts so you can make more sales. So these are different keywords that you can use right here, and let's look at the similar designs and from the same brand. So this one's are really selling. Let's just focus on this design right here that is killing it on Amazon.com. So moving to the next niche is still the Valentine's Day niche. This one is funny. Funny designs are always the best because people don't hesitate to buy it. This is actually a heart dabbing, so anyone can wear this, adults, kids, both alike. It's funny. Like I said before, you should definitely take advantage of the Valentine's Day niche as many people are buying t-shirt gifts for their loved ones. It's not only t-shirts. You must not only upload this to t-shirts. You can upload it to hoodies as it's cold. You can upload it to long t-shirts. It's also cold. So definitely take advantage of this. And if it's selling well on a t-shirt, definitely slapping on other products such as mugs, posters, phone cases, and more. That's how you scale up your business. So moving to the next niche, the fourth niche is Biden-Harris, still in the political realm. Biden-Harris, obviously people are purchasing this so they can wear on the inauguration day. It's a very simple design, just Biden-Harris, but I will highly advise you to be careful with this niche, because I've noticed that whenever you are uploading to the political niche, especially during this period, when you're uploading to Merch by Amazon in the political niche, your design takes longer to be accepted because they are screening it to be sure that it's not a pro-Trump niche. Considering what he did a few days ago, like the insurrection, motivating his followers to disrupt the Capitol and all the damage they did. So Amazon is seriously, Measure Amazon, let me be specific, Measure Amazon is seriously scrutinizing all the designs submitted in the political niche. And if it's a pro-Trump shirt, you're obviously going to get a rejection. So I'll be careful with this niche. You should be careful with the words you put in your description, the title, everything about your design. You should be careful with the words you put. Definitely do your research. I will make sure to use a trademark tool. And if the word has been trademarked, definitely do not try using it. Yes, the niche is selling well, but I will be careful with it if you're venturing into it. So our last niche for the day is the Valentine's Day niche. This one is funny, I still hot, and it's a dinosaur. So, and it's also, like I told you before, funny designs are the way to go, because many people will buy it very fast if it's funny. And look at this one, it has 144 ratings and priced at $13.99. So like I said before, the Valentine's Day niche, you should definitely jump into it right now. It is hot, it's selling, and you should definitely make some Valentine's Day t-shirts to sell, so you can be able to make sales as soon as possible. I will encourage you to do more research using Flying Research. There are several t-shirts that are selling right now. Just go to the bestsellers and change the marketplace from all to whichever platform you're designing for. Always go with US because I'm in the US, then click search. Once you click search, you'll see a bunch of t-shirts. Pick the ones that are selling well, recreate your own designs, upload to all the premium demand platforms. And if you're on Amazon Seller Central, you should definitely advertise so more people can see it, especially if it's a Valentine's Day niche or political niche, because many people are looking for those t-shirts right now. They are very hot, so once you advertise, many people see it, and if they like it, they'll definitely buy it. So congratulations to Anne Morgan and Joseph Mark for winning our last week's giveaway. If you'd like to enter the next week's giveaway, there's a link in the description. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand KDP, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.